Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time here, my name is David Ayomidotu, known as the AOX. I help churches and ministry grow stronger through financial stewardship and effective management. Today's topic is a big one: Church Finance 101. Why every church needs proper bookkeeping. Before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming lessons on church financial health. Now, let us look at this. Now, let me ask a question. If someone from your congregation or a donor asks, where exactly is the money going in this church? Would you be able to give a clear and honest answer? Sadly, many churches cannot. And this lacks transparency, which is one of the reasons why members lose trust, giving declines, and in some cases, ministries collapse. But it doesn't have to be that way, does it? No. So this takes us to the next topic, which is what is bookkeeping? So exactly what is good bookkeeping? In simple terms, bookkeeping is the process of recording all church financial transaction, money coming in through tithes, offerings, donations, and money going out through expenses like rents, salaries, and ministry projects. Think of it like this: is like keeping a diary of your church finances. Without it, you are flying blind. Why bookkeeping is important for churches? Here is why every church, no matter the size, needs proper bookkeeping. One, accountability is number one. Members and donors want to know their contributions, how they are used, whether they are used wisely, and bookkeeping shows the proof. Number two, planning. With clear records, leaderships can plan budgets for ministries, missions, and budgets, including budgets for projects. Compliance. Depending on your country, churches must follow certain tax and non-profit laws. Good records protect you legally. And lastly, transparency builds trust. When people see financial reports, trust increases and giving often grows. Like we said, accountability and trust. Transparency builds trust. Now let's take some real life example. Let me give you a quick example. I worked with a church that used to collect offering but had no proper system to track them. At the end of the month, no one knew exactly how much came in or where it went. Members started to complain. After introducing a simple bookkeeping system using Excel and receipt books, things changed drastically. They could now report this way: this month, we received $5,000 in tithes and offering. We spent $2,000 on outreach. We spend 1,500 on rent and we save the rest. Guess what? Giving increased because people trusted the system. You could see from this simple analysis before, no records, confusion, mistrust. And after, you could see Excel with receipts, give clarity, and there is more giving. Now let's get started. Getting started with church bookkeeping. So one will ask, how can your church get started? It's simple. One, begin by recording all income and expenses, even if it's on paper on Excel or Excel. Number two, use categories like tithes, offerings, donations, salaries, rents, outreach, and so on. Number three, keep receipts and bank statements organized. And then number four, at the end of each month, prepare a simple income and expense report for the leadership team. Like I discussed in my first video, you need to have a group of people you report to, at least some leadership there where you can report and they can give you credence. And this is like how it will look like. You can present a simple report like this that shows in a pie chart. I will show you how to do that in my next series, how to do income and expense report. Very easy to do with your Excel sheet. You can do this. So clearly your leadership and some of those who report to can see how and how the money comes in, how it's being spent, and how you allocate it. And you could see the encouragement in the Bible. Now, this is one of the scriptures I love about uh, reporting and making yourself accountable, especially when it comes to financial reporting in churches. The book of Luke, chapter 16, verse 10 says, whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. Bookkeeping is not just numbers, it is stewardship. Please note that it's not just about numbers, it is stewardship. When we handle God's money faithfully, He can trust us with even greater resources for the kingdom. So here's the challenge. Before this week ends, set up a basic record of your church income and expenses. Start small, but start today. Start today. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit your like button, share it with your church leaders, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on managing church finances. And now, let me also give you in the next video that we're going to do, watch out for how to set up a chart of account for your church. It's going to be a practical step, a practical approach on how you can organize your financial records for your church properly. So stay tuned and look out for our next video. Thank you and God bless.